So here we are out here at my friend's farm, and we're filling cups, getting ready to start seeds, farting around on the farm. Let's see what these boys are doing. All this land, and they're usually up my butt bugging me, nagging me for something. Nag, 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 nag. What are you doing? I love you? Yeah. Like, I love you too. That's kind of a cool little spot for you.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
I'm pretending that, because Aiden said, yeah, I want to read a Super Aiden comic book, so I'm pretending that the words say Super Aiden comic book.
Super Aiden!
Super Aiden.
Awesome.
Oh no, let's attack the bag bear.
Maybe we could find a tree in the forest and claim it and make a little tree house.
It's cool. Oh. No.
What's this? This is going to be your kale bed? Oh, look at, nice. Awesome.
Oh no, there's a bad guy. Oh no, the crab. Super Aiden went down the
All right, just trying to get my 4,000 view hours in here so I can become part of YouTube officially. Over and out at the farm.